What's up, dude? This is Nir from the Bricks Dude. And today, what we got for you? We got Star Wars, but not this set. Just for you. So, before we start, please subscribe to our channel just right here, or actually there. This is very important for us as content creators, so we'll be able to create some more cool content just for you. Star Wars, and not just for Star Wars, also other things. So, let the show begin. Ooh!
This is our MOC, which we called Omnicron 2, Separatist base, which can also be a Separatist space station. And this MOC is actually based on an existing set from 2009, which is called the Battle of Endor, set number 8038, an old set. So we decided to keep the external layout as it was, with maybe slight changes. Also, the very same entrance doors, and try to make changes in the inside. Let's see what we got there. So this is the MOC, base or space station. Now it has the same mechanism of the doors, the way they open. Let's take a different point of view from the top. Let's remove those cargo boxes and have a better look. This is a side view. There's a control panel there inside and a door. This is the back, which can be attached to other pieces if you want a bigger base. Now let's take a look. You have an airlock chamber there, control room, and this is a escape pod, and some more things on that side. Now let's take a deeper view. So this is another entrance to the base. It's a kind of airlock chamber. Just imagine that this is a space station and your pilots or astronauts or people who need to enter, they need to go through an airlock chamber that has two doors, and this is the inner door. Now this is a control room with two guys inside. You can see in the corner we have put there a place for helmets and stuff like that. Hard to see from here. And this is the engine room. You can see the generator, power generator. And this is a kind of, you can call it an escape pod or just a little ship, something like that. It just fits into these two rails. And this alien, well, I think he looks exactly like Dr. Zoidberg from the cartoon TV series Futurama. So we decided to put him here, like this is a base with at least one scientist. And you can put at least one minifigure or three, maybe two, three, inside that escape pod or little ship. So what else do we have here? We also have this kind of opening. It's a kind of bay door which can be taken up, and from the inside you have two levers which can hold this in a position where it's on top, just like that, to keep it open. And you have those two lights, red and green, and there's another niche there in which you can see it has this light brick that can be maybe some kind of weapon to shoot intruders, something like that. Now take a look at the doors again. It's a wonderful thing. And this is how this mechanism is from the inside. You can see that in the original set. Like I said, it's the very same mechanism of the doors. And this is the control room. We have those two spinning seats for those two guys. And that's it. This is our Separatist base, Omnicron 2. Let's get ready. Thank you for watching. This is Nir signing out.